What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of downloading and installing Marvel Rivals on your PC. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, these steps will help you get started quickly and enjoy this exciting Marvel game. Actually, you need an account from one of those platforms for PC, like NetEase Games, Steam, and Epic Store. For example, let's go to the Steam website. Now to download Steam, type this, and as you can see in the video, mine is already on the website. While we are on the website, just click Install Steam to download the installer of Steam. After you download the installer of Steam, set up your Steam. After you set up your Steam, open the Steam app. Now, after you open the Steam app, log into your account. As you can see, mine is already open and logged in. After you log into your Steam account, click the Library tab beside the Store tab, which is located at the top of the Steam app. And the Library tab, click the Marvel's Rival tab, which is located at the left side of the Steam app. And the Marvel's Rival tab, click the Install button to install the Marvel Rivals app. Make sure that you meet your PC's or laptop's recommendation or requirements before you download the game. If you really want it but your PC or laptop does not meet your recommended requirements, at least meet the minimum requirements so that you can still enjoy playing Marvel Rivals with your friends. And there, you are now ready to enjoy Marvel Rivals on your PC. By following the steps, you have successfully downloaded, installed, and set up the game. Remember to check for any updates or patches to ensure optimal performance. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.